Hey guys! So today we're here with the Dallas DIYs, and I'm going to teach you how to plan the ultimate fair egg hunt for you and all your friends. Now, let's get started! The first thing you'll need to get started are eggs in an assortment of colors. Some other things, you'll need some amazing prizes to put inside your eggs. And as you can see, most of these things won't fit inside, so I'll give you a solution to that later on. So I have slime, nail polish, body fragrance, hand sanitizer, pencils, which are really good because these are 1.3 lead size, so it doesn't break easily. Containers, that I'm going to fill with jelly beans, as well as some squishies. Before we get started, I have a challenge for you. Whoever can guess closest to the exact number of jelly beans that are in this container wins my giveaway. The only other thing you'll need to do is leave this video a like and leave a comment with how many jelly beans you think are in here. And the winner will be winning a mystery Easter product box. Now, let's get DIYing! I'm going to start by transferring the jelly beans from this container into these little containers that I found. For the next prizes, I'm going to do nail polish, body mists, hand sanitizers, pencils, as well as squishies. And I'm just going to write the names of those things on little pieces of paper and then put them inside the eggs. For example, I have these 3 hand sanitizers, Ocean Citrus, Peach Mango, as well as Hawaiian Pink Hibiscus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little note cards and with a pen or a pencil, I'm just going to write specifically Peach Mango Hand Sanitizer. And then I'm going to select one color of eggs and I'm going to fold up these papers and put them inside. Have as many eggs as the number of participants in your Easter egg hunt. During the egg hunt, each kid is allowed to find only one egg of each color. That's what makes this fair. Now that I've done it for my hand sanitizers, I'm going to repeat those steps for my other items that I have in my Easter egg hunt. The great thing about this Easter egg hunt is that it's fair. I've done it around my neighborhood where there are big kids and small kids, and I never got any Easter eggs, which means I also didn't get any candy. But this way, it's completely fair. And there's such great prizes that the kids will be like, it's amazing! So like, it's amazing! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. And whoever gets closest to guessing the exact amount of jelly beans and leaves it in a comment down below, as well as leaving this video a like, will have a chance to win my giveaway. Make sure to enter. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye, guys.